Ever wonder if your iPhone is secretly revealing more about your whereabouts than you'd like? Let's dive into how to take control and change your location on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Because your privacy matters first, tap the Settings app icon on your home screen to get started. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Privacy and tap on it. This is where all the magic happens. Inside the Privacy menu, you'll find Location Services at the very top. Tap on it to access your location settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps that have requested access to your location. You can customize each app individually. Tap on an app to change its location permission. You'll see several options. Never completely blocks the app from accessing your location. Ask next time or when I share prompts the app to ask for permission each time you use it. While using the app only allows access when the app is actively open, and always grants the app access at any time. Even in the background, choose the option that best suits your needs for each app. For even more control, toggle off precise location. This will give the app a general area instead of your exact location, which is great for apps like weather or news. For more advanced location spoofing, consider using a VPN app. A VPN can mask your IP address and make it appear as though you're browsing from a different location altogether. But remember to research and choose a reputable VPN provider. Bonus tip while you're here, also check Share My Location at the bottom of the Location Services menu to manage who can see your location through Find My and other apps. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your location settings on your iPhone, giving you more control over your privacy and app functionality. Now go forth and explore with a little more peace of mind.